I want the record to show that I have nobly spent like 2.5 hours not opening this box until Alyc could get here from work.
I would like the record to show that the only reason I look this good for this unboxing video is because I came directly from work.
There's not a satisfying shink noise when the utility knife comes out, but...
Shink! There, see? Okay.
We are very afraid here, by the way.
Yeah. Because we have not seen, like, live physical copies. We only got a digital.
Open. There is much packing material.
Do you want to drag one out and then I will drag one out?
Alright. We have pattern decks. You see the face, and not the mask. Making sure I had to turn the right way up, not that you can really see it.
And the box looks good!
The box looks good.
We did this design ourselves.
We designed, yeah, everything. And yeah, the artists did the art, we did all the design, all of this is like, God, we hope we know what we were doing!
There are names. In very tiny font.
But yeah, that's Emiko's back.
It looks really, really good in print.
Yeah. Get the plastic off yours.
Oh, sorry!
Like, I'm not going to open the deck until yours is open. Bottom's the easiest place to... Would you like fingernail help? I think I have more nail than there.
Yeah, I've been curating my nails because I destroyed them with the move. Oh, that's what they meant by the fold. Okay.
We're learning things about design here. Oh my god, it's a real thing.
Oh my god. They're so pretty. The colors look so good. Oh.
Like, first up, the first thing you see is 100 Lanterns Rise.
A little bit more, because it's getting, yeah.
There we go. Like, that's a nice, vivid one to see right at the start.
I randomly opened it to the Face of Stars, which is one of my favorites.
Rotate, like, yeah, there we go.
Anyway. Well, no. It was catching the light from the... There we go.
Glare.
Yes, that's fine.
Yeah. Okay, they look like real cards
They
or
look
something.
like real cards or something.
How does Turtle in her shell look?
Oh yeah, this was where Turtle in her shell. I'm off in the faces and masks here. Where's the doidle? Okay, here we go. This is one of my favorites. Oh, you already.
Oh no, we should do it at the same time.
She looks so derpy. So dirty. Like, literally the sketch was kind of derpy, and I was like, you know what? Don't like fancy it up or anything. She should look like an adorable little turtle. God, my calligraphy is even legible.
Your calligraphy looks gorgeous. And it's all centered.
I listed all of the compositing of the cards. Ah! We have pattern decks!
We have pattern deck. It is the Rook and Rose pattern deck. Here's all the information you need.
Complete with a little guidebook that tells you about the cards.
I think he stopped.
Oh.
No.
Oh.
Okay. You can tell we're good at this.
Yeah.
Yeah, little guidebook, and then, there's the fancier one that people can order as well. But, oh my god, we have decks. We've been dreaming of this since, like, 2018.
Yeah.